Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Manzanilla olives are probably one of the most beloved varieties of olives globally, prized for their small size, vibrant green hue, and intensely flavorful profile. Native to Spain's Andalusia region, these olives offer a unique, slightly bitter taste with a pleasant briny finish, making them incredibly versatile in various culinary applications, from classic tapas to gourmet salads and everything in between. Today, we will explore what makes Manzanilla olives so special and help you find the perfect ones for your palate. Number 5. Goya Manzanilla Olives. Experience the rich, authentic taste of Spain with Goya's Manzanilla olives. These firm, tangy olives are stuffed with minced anchovies for a flavor that's simply irresistible. They're small, soft, and robust, with a beautiful dark color and a delightfully tart flavor. It's the perfect balance of textures and tastes. These versatile olives are great straight from the can, or as part of your favorite cocktails, hors d'oeuvres, salads, or stews. They add a delicious touch to any dish. These olives are kosher, gluten-free, low-fat, and cholesterol-free. They're also free of trans fat, sugar, and carbohydrates, making them a guilt-free indulgence. Just open the can and get the party started. This 12-pack of 5.25 ounces cans provides plenty of olives for sharing with friends and family. Find them on Amazon, Amazon Fresh, and Prime Pantry. What we like? It's a classic for a reason. If you love the briny, umami punch of anchovies, this is your perfect match. These olives are incredibly versatile, perfect for snacking, cocktails, or adding a gourmet touch to your favorite dishes. If you're looking for a crowd-pleasing appetizer, this is it. What people say. The olives are firmer, as in not mushy, than the Iberia brand. The taste is also more to my liking. These have a bit of a tang to them that I absolutely love. The right size and texture. They are not overly fishy tasting. Much better than the brand that comes in a glass jar. These olives are great. They are consistently firm and not mushy, the flavor is perfect. Number 4. Camacho Manzanilla Olives. Experience the authentic taste of Spain with our delicious Manzanilla olives. These olives are naturally grown and carefully stuffed with pimentos for a delightful flavor. We use only the finest all-natural ingredients. Enjoy the simple, delicious taste of nature. These olives are non-GMO, ensuring quality and purity from field to jar. Our Manzanilla olives are kosher certified, making them a perfect choice for any occasion. Each olive is carefully stuffed with a pimento for a burst of flavor in every bite. It's the perfect appetizer or snack. They come in convenient 7-ounce jars, perfect for sharing or enjoying on your own. What we like? Looking for a sophisticated, yet simple olive? This one is all natural and features a mild, sweet pimiento filling. They're perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your charcuterie board or a simple snack. If you appreciate high-quality, natural ingredients, this is the choice for you. What people say. Fresh and delicious, and the perfect flavor, just what I expected it to be. These olives are just what you're expecting in a green, pimiento stuffed olive. Salty, reasonably firm, decent flavor. The olives have an excellent flavor. They are much more expensive than supermarket brands, but are worth it for drinks parties and other special occasions. Number 3. TableTop King Manzanilla Olives. Experience the rich, savory taste of Manzanilla olives, perfectly pitted and ready to enjoy. These olives are a culinary delight, perfect for adding a Mediterranean flair to your dishes. These olives are carefully selected for their superior quality and flavor. Each olive is hand-picked and processed to ensure the highest standards. No more struggling with pits. They're already pitted for your convenience, making them ideal for snacking, salads, or any recipe that calls for olives. Use them in your favorite recipes, from classic Mediterranean dishes to modern culinary creations. They add a burst of flavor to any meal. Enjoy a generous 1-gallon container of these delicious olives. It's perfect for sharing with family and friends or for keeping on hand for your culinary adventures. TableTop King is committed to providing high-quality food products. You can trust that these olives meet the highest standards of taste and quality. What we like? Need a large quantity of olives for a party or event? This is your best bet. It's a great value for the amount you get, and the pitted olives are perfect for salads, tapenades, or any recipe where you don't want the pits. If you're hosting a large gathering, this is the economical option. What people say. This item was just as described. If you love olives and have room to store a gallon jar of them, this purchase might be for you. It's giant and full of delicious salty green olives. Definitely worth the money for how much you get. Also, the best part is, they are pitted. These are fine olives, taste great with just the right saltiness, umami richness, touch of bitter. Great for anything from salads to snacking to topping a sandwich. They are definitely small, you can fit 3 to 4 of them on a teaspoon. And my jar came with a cracked top, the plastic screw-on lid. The jar was sealed underneath, so no leakage. The top is still usable enough to seal the jar. Number 2. Camacho Manzanilla Olives. Experience the authentic taste of Spain with these delicious Manzanilla olives. Each jar is packed with the finest olives, ready to enjoy. This convenient pack contains 6 21-ounce jars, perfect for sharing or enjoying on your own. Plenty of olives to savor. These olives are all natural, meaning they're free from artificial ingredients and preservatives. Taste the pure, natural flavor. We use only non-GMO olives to ensure the highest quality and taste. Enjoy them guilt-free. These olives are kosher certified, making them a perfect choice for those keeping kosher. A delicious and convenient option. They're great as a snack, appetizer, or addition to your favorite dishes. Enjoy them any way you like. What we like. For a larger batch of olives, this is a great option. They're all natural and non-GMO, making them a healthy and delicious choice. If you need a substantial amount of olives for your recipes or gatherings, and you value natural ingredients, this is a smart choice. What people say. I use a lot of Spanish olives in my cooking and dread the dollar being asked by the local stores. This is a fantastic buy, and I reuse the good-sized glass jars to store craft supplies. They are firm and delicious. Really yummy olives. Great size, taste, firmness, texture. 6 glass jars arrived safely, no spillage. Number 1. Serpis Manzanilla Olives. Get ready to experience a delightful treat. These olives are a perfect blend of salty and savory flavors. These olives are sourced from Spain, known for their high-quality olives. They are carefully selected and processed to maintain their freshness and flavor. Each olive is expertly stuffed with creamy manchego cheese. The combination of the olive's briny taste and the cheese's richness is simply irresistible. They're ideal as a snack, appetizer, or addition to your favorite dishes. Enjoy them straight from the jar or incorporate them into your culinary creations. This convenient pack contains 2 4.59-ounce jars, providing ample servings to share with friends and family or savor on your own. Prepare to be amazed by the unique and unforgettable taste. It's a culinary experience you won't soon forget. What we like. Looking for something a little different? These olives are stuffed with manchego cheese, offering a unique and sophisticated flavor profile. They're perfect for a special occasion or for impressing your guests. If you enjoy bold flavors and want to add a touch of elegance to your next gathering, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I bought this to make Spanish chicken and rice and it came out really good. I didn't want the anchovy stuffed ones. Right out of the can or in a salad, these are something special. Great flavor, firm, and round. I loved these so much that I actually drink the juice from the can. The taste was so very umami. They make the best dirty martinis you will ever have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.